Fun with colors! Hi friends! Today, let's draw Pikachu. Let's begin with the face. Wow! Pikachu has come to say hello. This is the tail. And now, let's draw the eyes. Subscribe to the channel for more coloring and drawing videos. If you wish to color the same image of Pikachu, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. These are the legs. It's ready. Let's color with fun with colors. This is pink color. This is red color. Let's color the eyes with black color. Do you like drawing and coloring? Can you tell me which color is that? Yes, this is yellow color. What is your favorite color? Do you like this bright yellow color? Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. If you wish to color the same image of Pikachu, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. Did you like watching the show Pokémon? Let's color the tail with yellow color. It's ready!